We cannot buy enough of these cars. Land Rover Defenders, new models. And this is a 90, so the shorter one. SE, 3 litre diesel, 200 horsepower, but with all the things you would want. The upgraded 20-inch wheels, full panoramic sliding sunroof, black pack. It's got all the spec. It's priced on the money, which is the most important thing. £59,990, 7,000 miles, 2021, and it's an SE. So when you're looking at these cars, it's working out the spec. SE gives you great spec. It gives us full leather. It gives us all the cameras. It gives us matrix LED lights. And it's priced, I know I keep saying it, but when these cars go live, we sell them instantly because we price them well. Again, black pack, so we've got the black badging, upgraded 20-inch gloss black wheels, and then you get all your inserts in black. It's got the fixed side steps, which are done in black as well, which adds to that look. Sun protection privacy glass, full-size spare wheel in the alloy as well. And let's just light it up, because I think the rear lights on these new Defenders, these cubes look so well. Mud flaps. And let me show you it inside. So SE gives you keyless as well. Press the button and then you get Meridian sound system, memory seats, full heated electric leather. This car's a 5-seater, so you've got 2 seats in the front, 3 in the back. And I just think it's value. It is pure value for money for one of these cars. So we'll just put this on the web and we'll take an order on it. As you can see, sliding pan roof, which is a key extra. That's just short of £2,000. With it being the SE, you've got, just show you the system here. So if we go into our cameras, you've got your camera 3D system, but then you've got the extra camera there. Full leather is the big difference. Meridian sound. Just a great car. All under warranty for just under 3 years. 3 years Land Rover Assist. I'm just going to show you in the back as well, just to give you an idea of space. So you can electrically adjust your seats as well. And then as you can see, there's loads of space in the back. So that the passengers in the rear have got loads of space. You've got you can get so much. There's loads of leg room. See, normally on the older ones, there was no space in the back, where on these new 90s, they've built them so there's a lot more comfortable. I like the black badging on the back there as well. We've locked the boot. Just open the boot. And then, you know, you've got the option, so you can drop these seats as well. You've still got some boot space, but if you want to drop the seats, you can. But the big thing, when you're looking at these cars, some of them can look very standard. So it's how they've been spec'd new. So this car from new, again, they've paid for the wheels, they've paid for the pan roof, the steps, all them things. It's the SE, and it's the 3 litre, so it's the new engine. Fabulous to drive, great on fuel. Looks the part with it being Santorini black with all them extras. Hitting the website now.